to fix sleep mode not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart phone. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clock app clear cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search clock, click on clock, storage, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache option, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. Now go back. After that, clear cache of modes and routines. Again open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search modes and routines, click on modes and routines, scroll down, click on storage, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, your mode and routine will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset all setting, click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix mode not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.